winter's a pretty gray here. It just rains for days. Sometimes it gets hard to stay here in this city of gray. I get so down, I just can't find my light. I get so down, I just gotta get through this night. So give me a good high and chase these blues away. Give me a good high, forget about yesterday. Times are getting harder, you know it's harder to stay clean. Your days start getting darker when you forget your dreams. You get so down, you wanna make it all disappear. Oh, wishing you were somewhere, anywhere but here. So give me a good high and chase these blues away. Give me a good high, forget about yesterday.
Look at this one.
Oh, I like that one. I like the color. Like it's kind of like a jungle.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sharon. Guys, today is beautiful here in Colorado. Blue skies. We are almost 28 days to springtime. I'm super excited. It looks like spring is coming early. We will take advantage of the weather today and being outside. In today's video, I am intending to really air my house, let the fresh air in, and I am going to so good how you can make your house, you know, feel fresh and fresh. I'm going to be taking you guys through 3 to 4 tips on house feel perfected, feel purified, sanitized, and smelling just amazing. So we'll go back into the house and our house.
Winter's a pretty gray here. It just rains for days. Sometimes it gets hard to stay here in this city of gray. I get so down, I just can't find my light. I get so down, I just gotta get through this night. So give me a good high and chase these blues away. Give me a good high, forget about yesterday. times are getting harder, you know it's harder to stay clean. Your days start getting darker when you forget your dreams. You get so down, you wanna make it all disappear. Wishing you were somewhere, anywhere but here. So give me a good high and chase these blues away. Give me a good high. Forget about yesterday. Chase these blues away. Give me a good high. Forget about yesterday. Give me a good high. Chase these blues away. About yesterday.
And guys, just to decided today to make my house smelling good is I changed my trash can bag and added drops of tea tree oil into the trash bag to just make it smelling good, to make the area deodorized. And then number two, I open my windows to let in the fresh air, especially today that we have good weather. I really wanted to take advantage of that and just get to air the house because we don't get to do that a lot of the times during winter time. And then number three, I prepared a fragrance out of lemons, oranges, and then I added cinnamon sticks, rosemary, rosemary leaves, and some cloves. It is my house right now, and it is about oil, and I'm going to for about 3 to 4 hours, and I am just going to enjoy just the fragrance that is coming out of that. So that is one way to just make your house smelling good on a budget. And then number four, I do have this diffuser. You can see it right on top of it. It has Himalayan sea salt, and Himalayan sea salt has so many benefits, especially if your children have. You need that in your house. So the bottom of the container, I added water and then put in eucalyptus oil, which really helps when the kids have a cold. Especially for us, we were all recovering from a cold last week, and so this is going to help like open the nostrils. It is just I mean, the smell that is coming out of it is just incredible. Guys, thank you so much for watching and coming back to engage us on our YouTube channel. I appreciate it so much, especially our new subscribers. Continue to like, comment. So until time, guys,